Welcome to the factory from province of Zhejiang for inverters and battery energy storages. Welcome to the SolaX Power factory. And the trip is right now starting. 2024 was the year when we have launched our C&I solutions. Today we are having two series of TRENE. One is air-cooling with 215 kilowatt hours, and the second one liquid-cooling with 261 kilowatt hours. Let's see what is inside. The battery cabinet consists of the battery modules, which are managed by our EMS 1000. And what is most important one, fire extinguishing gas, which gives you very high safety. Let's right now go to the side of the PCS and AC connection site for the DC to AC conversion, which is PCS. The PCS is having one of the very big advantage right now. Thanks to the new combiner box, which is called NEXUS 0, we are achieving 0 millisecond switch from on to off-grid within 0 milliseconds. Why? Our battery modules are very intelligent, because we are checking our SOC and SOH of our batteries with the precision of less than 3%. In the case of the liquid cooling cabinet, the management of the space is the same. We are having the battery modules, we are having the PCS and the AC side in the same place. And again, with NEXUS 0, we can achieve 0 millisecond seamless switch for on-off grid. NEXUS 0 is a prefabricated combiner box where we can actually connect grid, the critical loads and single loads, where everything enables us to give us seamless switch with 0 milliseconds with TRENE ILO series. For many years we have been installing a lot of PV plants, but the main problem we are currently having is that we need BSSs. Right now we want to take care of self-consumption. By the ESS we can do it and achieve the very maximalized self-consumption of the PV production. We can also do the diesel generation connection. We can do the DSR, we can do the VPP, virtual power plant, we can make a reactive power compensation to achieve very quick and fast return of the investment. You should remember that we are launching new product, which is AI Copilot, solving your problems, and you can ask whatever you want. Thank you for visitation, and we are inviting you to visit our exhibition hall and our factory. See you soon!